Listen to Snap.
I don't recall.
Clean mask.
Yeah, sure.
Nah, come on, man. What you doing? It's just a rap battle. Who's recording it? Oh, you're recording it?
Come on.
Bro,
Boy, you suck. No, you lost. No, I'm going. Hold
if
it
you
down.
don't do it one more time, you lost.
No, it's okay. There's real niggas and there's bitches. Fake nigga with no stitches. Can't smash, but he says he gets bitches. Telling this nigga to go back in the kitchen.
Bitch.
10 days to make a diss track. Needs the time cause he bitches. I don't chase girls, they love me. Come to my block with some stitches.
Shit.
Always run into H&M. Catch me in a white band. You a fuck boy that just pretends and like gab you back for friends. Oh, you called up Blighty, you called up Danis just to write something basic. You need a squad to piss me off. I'm one nigga who can fight them all.
Oh, no, you're bugging. You're not fighting.
Alright, your bitches, I tried them all. You probably called Brandon to buy them all.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's not done. I see you struggle to write some bars. You might as well run to a brick wall. I spit was hot. Your face is not. Your bitch is in my crib. She wants to get the cot, so she dropped.
Are you talking about Jaylene?
I wrote that line.
Yeah, he wrote that. He helped me with that part. I won this shit. It's not a battle. What did you expect? Go call a tech. Go bitch to the ref. Just understand I'm the best. I'm Drake. You Meek Mill. I wrote this shit with no chill. At Matt's funeral, like how did he die? Cause Jafari had to spit with still.
Put on the beat.
Matt, come on, you fucking come back. Put this on the gram. All right. Right now.
No, don't put this on the gram. Yo, just hurry up and go.
On my phone.
Taking my book back.
If you dead ass don't go, we're skipping.
Yo, chill.
Go. Just say it.
Okay, we're skipping.
Read it.
Who knows? I got plenty of foes. Jafari gets no hoes. You can pick me at H&M looking for clothes, but who knows? Better watch yourself, kid. You're not my size. You can see me pull up in my 7.5. Your last go cry. Tell me why. Jaylene left you on red. Don't try to battle me or I'll put you to bed.
I'm on
My
Jafari's
beats
side.
are like lead. You say you don't smoke, but that's not what your grandma said. I'm about to end. But before I finish, let me ask you one thing.
I'm on Matt's side.
Is that your world tour or Jaylene's tour?